Moikka! Today I am painting some wishing rocks. I recently learned that wishing stones have been used for centuries as a little charms to hold hopes and dreams, and I thought that was fascinating. And I was really inspired by this. And I had this package from the mail from Arrtx, and they are launching some watercolors. And I am so excited about these. I have been using Arrtx art supplies for a while now, and I really have loved them. So this is really exciting that they have also watercolors in their art supplies. I love this package color. I think this is very nice. Ooh, very nice. I love the big pans. So there is a lot of color in one pan. And I think the packaging is very good because you have the watercolor names right there in the box. So you know what is what. And then there is this sheet. And this is very nicely explained in the back that which is transparent and which is semi-transparent and which is opaque. And then there is also light fastness with the stars. So I think this is very well thought of and explained, this watercolor palette, and I love it. Very nice. But yes, let's use these watercolors with the painting part. But before that, let's draw some different size rocks to the paper. Now the painting is done, and I have to say that I really love this palette for many reasons. I think the light wash is very beautiful when it dries, And when you need the pigment, it is certainly there. And I made this like water on water, and this is without the water underneath. And you can definitely see the pigment much better, but you can do it with the light wash. And I think this looks absolutely beautiful. And my watercolor skills does not do justice for this palette because I am not a very good watercolor painter. But the main thing is to have fun with art supplies, I think, and this certainly was a lot of fun. And I think these colors are very nicely put together, and you can do a lot of things with these colors. I am definitely very happy to have this palette in my art supplies, and this is a very nice size, so it is very nice to carry with your trips. But yes, I really love this palette. Thank you so much, Arrtx, for sending me this lovely color set. And summer is coming, so I will definitely be using more of this. There is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out more of this lovely set. Yes, but let's continue to the decorations. And I did some research on the wishing rocks because I was so fascinated about them. And the thing is with them, they have always a stripe on the rock that goes through the whole stone. But I think we will add something else too to our wishing rocks. I will do these decorations intuitively and let's see where this goes. Now the decorations are done, and next let's add another layer of magic to the stones with some colored pencils. I will do some shadowing and some depth with the colored pencils. Now I had this thought that I would like to make these pop up better from the background. So I think I will use color in the background. And the best way to make these pop is some black acrylic paint. How would you do your wishing rocks? This is so much fun. And if you decide to do this, I wish you many, many magical art moments. And a warm thank you to Arrtx for sending me these lovely watercolors. I really enjoyed these. And there is more information in the description box if you want to go and check out more of these watercolors. But until next time, thank you for watching, and a warm thank you also to the lovely Taika Patreon community. I wish you a lovely week. Moi moi!